Creating tables in SQLite database using Python programming language. Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'll show you how to create table in SQLite database using Python programming language. We are gonna create a new table called product in previously created database named OurDB using the Python programming language. You can write the Python code like as shown to create a new SQLite table called product in the database called OurDB. Simply, this Python program will create a new table called product in the database file and return the output table created inside DB message in the terminal. Now let's talk about the SQLite data types. In SQLite, each table in a database has a data type and name. The data type defines what type of data can be stored in a column of a table. And most databases use strong static column type for tables. This means that the column can only hold a value that is compatible with columns defined type. SQLite uses a dynamic typing technique, also known as manifest typing. This means it allows nearly any element of any row to hold almost any type of value. SQLite supports 5 concrete data types, which is also known as storage classes. The first type is called null. A null is considered its own distinct type. A null type doesn't hold a value. The second type of data is called integer, and you know that type. It may be positive or negative numbers like 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. The third one is called real. Real is a floating point number. The next type is called text. Text values are variable length character data. The last type we will talk about is called blob. A blob value is variable length row bytes. Literal blobs are represented as hexadecimal text strings. Also, you can create cursor object using the cursor method of the connection object or class. Also, you can use the execute method. The execute method accepts the database query as a parameter and executes the given query. After that, you can use also the close method. The close method is used to close the current cursor object. We just created a table called the product, and here on this table we have created 4 columns. Each column has properties and a specific type of data that we have written. The first column is called PID, and its type of data is called integer data type, integer primary key auto increment. The second column is called pname, and its data type is text not null. And the column number 3 name is price, and its data type is real. Column number 4 name is quantity, and its data type is integer data type. Once the file is run, a message will be printed using the print function on the screen. Immediately after running this file, the table was created inside the database we created previously. And this message has been printed. Table created inside DB, as you can see here in the output. That's it. That's all for this lesson. Try to do this by yourself. And if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.